Hey there and welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew and I'm here to help you build your brand, grow your audience, market your content, and make money. In today's video, we're going to cover mock jurors or a mock jury. How you can get into it, what it entails, and how you can make money from doing it. So if you're new here, stick around. I got some great information for you. If you're a member of the consulting crew, welcome back. Let's get to it. As I said, welcome to Consult the Blind Guy. My name is Andrew, and today we're covering mock jurors. We're a mock jury. What exactly is a mock jury or a mock juror? Essentially, being a mock juror or a part of a mock jury, you are somebody who is going to sign up on one of the various different websites out there or go to a agency that advertises on their behalf for recruitment to be somebody that the attorneys or district attorneys or lawyers can be able to contact, demonstrate what their case is currently or their theory of a case, and then you give your perspective on whether that person is guilty or innocent. And you give reasons why you believe that that case is not worth going for. For instance, we'll say hypothetically, John Doe is accused and arrested for possession of cannabis and a concealed weapon. And there is the defendant's statement, there's the police statement, and then there is body cam footage from the officer as well as phone footage from the defendant or the accused. And then he is arrested, detained, taken off to jail, and charged. And in turn, this attorney now has this case that needs to go to trial. And this is a way for that attorney to be able to test prior to going to the actual court system and seeing how well their case is going to stand up against the government's case of this person getting convicted, which means you now get to listen to the theory that the attorney has on why this person is innocent, as well as their thoughts on why the prosecutor is going to think that they are guilty. And we'll say, for instance, hypothetically, that this defendant has footage of a police officer on his phone planning the evidence within the vehicle that he was pulled over in. And what if this officer also has the body cam footage that shows that he was there and pulled this person over, gives him the whole spiel of why he's getting pulled over, and they edit out the fact that he is plainly able to see that he's planning the drugs within the car. Because periodically this kind of thing does actually happen. They're not all good cops out there. There are some who do things that are against the law themselves in order to get the person that they're pulling over, because not that they want to admit it, there is a quota. Not to admit it, there are racist cops. There's many different aspects to that theory. But we'll just note that it has been proven in the past that these kind of situations do happen. And now, with you being a part of the mock jury or the mock juror, you're contacted and you get to hear the theory from the attorney. You get to give your perspective of whether or not this person is guilty or innocent and why, and then on top of it, you will get paid for your service. These multiple different sites that I'm going to give to you range in the amount of pay that you can receive. You do have to apply in order to get these kind of jobs, and depending on the demographic that you're in depends on whether or not you'll get hired for these cases. Some of them will tell you, okay, you're approved to be a juror, but you will not receive a case until they have something that they feel you're going to be qualified to answer on. Sometimes it can be the fact that you may be black, white, Cuban, Mexican, Asian, whatever, that helps play a part into this to create a diverse jury. It could be your age, it could be the location that you live in, it could be the type of case. There's many different things that play into whether or not you'll get selected for that jury duty style of case. But you can make anywhere between $20 per case and up to $150 per day being a mock juror. So, in my opinion, this is a good way for you not only to get used to the idea of being a part of jury duty for the government, but it also gives you an opportunity to make an extra few bucks or become a part-time or full-time virtual juror. So I hope this explains to you what a mock juror is and what they do, and hope that it helps you to be able to make an extra few bucks in your spare time. Now here is a list of 10 different websites that you can go to apply for these kind of jobs. ejury.com, and that is the letter E, JURY.com. onlineverdict.com, jurytest.com, virtualjury.com, resolutionresearch.com, trialjurors.com, jurysolutions.com, jurysignup.com, verdictservices.com is also in the description down below, and I hope that these are helpful for you, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Please feel free to comment below if you have any questions or concerns, and I'll get back to them as soon as possible. And if you're interested in more videos like this, make sure you check out this list over here of season 3 as I go through a deep dive of the 100 different ways that I have for you to work from home and online. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day, stay safe, and we'll see you in the next episode.